Thomas Jefferson's inauguration, March 4th, 1801. March 4th, 1801 marked a pivotal moment in American history, the inauguration of Thomas Jefferson as the third President of the United States. Jefferson's inauguration wasn't just a routine ceremony, it was a profound symbol of democracy and a peaceful transfer of power between political rivals. The election of 1800 had been one of the most contentious in U.S. history. Jefferson, representing the Democratic Republicans, unseated incumbent President John Adams of the Federalist Party. The bitterness of the campaign was unprecedented. Federalists painted Jefferson as an atheist who would dismantle religion, while Jeffersonians accused Adams of aspiring to monarchy. Despite the political rancor, the inauguration reflected the stability of the young nation's democratic institutions. Jefferson broke with tradition in several ways. He chose to walk to the Capitol for his inauguration instead of riding in a carriage, symbolizing his commitment to simplicity and humility. This gesture was a stark contrast to the formality of his predecessors and aligned with Jefferson's vision of a government that served the people, not one elevated above them. In his inaugural address, Jefferson struck a conciliatory tone, emphasizing unity and common purpose. His famous words, "We are all Republicans, we are all Federalists," were a direct appeal to heal the partisan divide. He spoke about the importance of individual freedoms, limited government, and the principles of the Constitution. The ceremony itself was modest, reflecting Jefferson's disdain for pomp and circumstance. It was held in the newly constructed Capitol building in Washington, D.C., a city still under development at the time. The small crowd of attendees included members of Congress, diplomats, and ordinary citizens. Unlike modern inaugurations, there were no grand parades or public celebrations. Jefferson's inauguration also marked the first time the presidency transitioned from one political party to another. This peaceful transfer of power was unprecedented in modern history and a testament to the success of the American democratic experiment. It set a precedent that would inspire nations around the world. Jefferson's presidency would go on to define an era in American history. His vision of an agrarian republic, limited government, and individual rights would shape the policies of his administration. His inaugural address remains one of the most celebrated speeches in American history, a reminder of the ideals upon which the nation was founded. The inauguration of Thomas Jefferson was more than just the start of a new presidency. It was a defining moment for American democracy, showcasing the resilience of its institutions and the enduring power of unity and hope.